Hey guys, we're here in Southwest Bakersfield checking out this beautiful new construction home right behind me, and I'm excited to show you guys this home because we are located in a neighborhood that's actually going to have a community park coming within like the next year and a half or so. So this is earlier in the process and you can definitely get in for a good price. And then as the community's developed, that park is going to be coming in, and we're super close to a lot of the shopping centers here in the Southwest area, about 5 minutes away. So it's a really nice area, and I'm excited to show you guys this home. Let's go in and check out this beautiful property. As you can see, the outside of this home is one specific elevation. It's like a nice modern white color. And this is kind of considered their contemporary style, but they also do other styles like Spanish style, as well as a farmhouse style. So there are a few different styles for the outside of this home. Before we continue looking through it, it's 1847 square feet, 3 bedrooms. Actually, it's about 3 to 4 bedrooms. So the one we're looking at right now is 3 bedrooms for this model home, but it also has a 4-bedroom option. And like I said, 1847 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. But as soon as we come in, we actually make our way over here, which is that area that's gonna have those other 3 bedrooms. So as soon as we come into the left, we have our first bedroom, which is right here. You get nice open space. You get a regular sliding door closet, which is pretty cool. And then right behind me, we actually have our first bathroom. So this bathroom actually has 2 sinks. Then we have our toilet, our regular shower with the tub, which is really nice. You get some really nice high ceilings here in this home. And then right behind me is that space that could potentially be a 4th bedroom, but the model home has it as a den area. So that's the thing about this plan, because we do get a full walk-in closet here and they have it set up as a den, but this can also be an actual 4th bedroom instead of a den space. Right over here, we have our 3rd bedroom, which is really nice. This one also has that walk-in closet if you want to check that out. It has a good amount of space. So 2 of these bedrooms, these extra bedrooms that aren't the master, have these walk-in closets, which are really nice. And then right behind me, we do get this sliding closet here. I mean, you can never have enough storage space. So you just get shelves that kind of go through here, which is really cool. We get a lot of space. And then towards the end of the video, you guys, I'm also going to let you know about the types of deals the builder has on the homes, like this floor plan, as well as the other floor plans they have, because that's the thing about new construction in Bakersfield is there are amazing deals out here. And with that, you can get into a house with less money up front and a lower monthly payment than just buying a normal home. So check out this laundry room. Obviously, this is where your washer dryer is gonna go. We get a good amount of cabinet space up here, also on this side. And then right behind you, this is locked because it's a model home, but this is where the door is going to be to the 2-car garage. All right, let's go over here and check out the actual living area, you guys. I want you to get a good angle on this. I want you to be able to check out what it looks like from the corner so you can sort of see what this open area is like. You guys, this home is 1847 square feet. We're not talking over 2,000 square feet, 1847. And with that, you get a beautiful open living room space. And then we get our kitchen tucked in that corner. And then we have this dining area over here. Now keep in mind, I know you're probably wondering, what the heck is this light? How do they have this home designed this way? Is this what I'm gonna get? All this paneling on the walls? No, you're not. This is the model home, so they kind of do customizations to it, and it can look a little different, or maybe like, you probably don't even want that. So the thing is, with these homes, in the model homes, they'll do a bunch of different things, but just so you know, what your home's most likely going to be is just white walls going across the entire house. You're not gonna have this paneling. They will kind of leave a space for you to hang up a light at some point, but they're not going to hang them up for you. Like I said, we're in the model home, so it's a little bit different. But check out this dining area right here. We have enough space for this nice table. You can even go bigger. They actually have this here, which they don't do in the homes when you're actually buying. It's just kind of so you can see what's possible. But with that being gone, you could actually put a nicer rectangle table rectangle table. I was like, did I say that right? In this area, which would be pretty cool. And then check out this kitchen here. We have a nice island. Like I said, this is the model home, so they'll do a few different customizations. You don't usually get like an all black counter, black cabinets and island. It's usually more of like a tan, white. This is mainly for the model home, but check out how this beautiful kitchen looks. I love how they kind of elevated these cabinets right here. It makes it look a lot taller in here, which is pretty cool. But you get your cabinets going all the way across. You do get your microwave, stove, oven, and then your dishwasher, which is right over there on the island next to your sink. So this is where your refrigerator is going to go, which is pretty cool. And then we have this nice pantry. You get a pretty good amount of space in here, especially for a home around this size. And the cool thing, like I said, you guys, I'm going to let you know a little bit about the deals because they have amazing deals here, especially for being in a neighborhood that has a community park, which is really cool. That's not common here in the Southwest area. So check out this master bedroom. This does not come with your house, it's for the model home, but you get a nice amount of space in here. This bed, I think this is like a Cal King, if I'm not mistaken, and you get your 2 nightstands here, and there's still a good amount of space on each side. So we know it's a pretty wide room, which is pretty cool. Let's make our way over into this master bathroom. So what I really like about here is you actually get your 2 sinks and you get a lot of space in between. Sometimes they put them really close and there's not any space, but you have them pretty separate, which is pretty cool. And then over here, we get our standing shower. Nice tile. Like I said, it's a model home, so they already have it designed a certain way with the color schemes and all of that. But if you're building one from scratch, you could do a few different color schemes. If you're buying one that's already in the process of being built, then they'll already have that decided, but they do pretty standard stuff. It's not anything crazy. Let's take a look over here. We actually have our toilet, which will have a door right here, of course, and then our nice walk-in closet. We get a good amount of space right here, and then right behind you, it wraps around, which is pretty cool. You get a nice amount of space in here. So this home is really spacious for the square footage. I've seen other homes around 1,800 square feet, and they just don't feel spacious, but this is a house that actually does. And that's why I've had some of my clients really love this floor plan and decide to go with something here in this neighborhood. All right, guys, so that was it for the inside of the house. Now let's check out this outside area. The first thing I want you guys to notice is for a lot of their homes, almost every single home, they do a covered patio, which is pretty cool. You don't get that with a lot of builders where they already have the covered patio and the cement slab out here that you don't have to get done on your own. The only thing is because we're at a model home, they do have the landscaping all done back here, but that's the one thing that's typically not included. Just when buying a brand new construction home in general, you do have to get that done. But the cool thing here is they have pretty good sized yards. I mean, what we're seeing here is probably like 35 feet, almost 40 feet back. There's definitely enough space to do a pool out here, and some of their lots actually have bigger side yards like this one. I mean, we're looking at about 15 feet on this side, and then the other side probably has like the 5 feet, the smaller. But it really just depends on what exact lot we're reserving. And that's when we're gonna know how exactly, like how big the yard's gonna be, how much side space. It just comes down to the exact house that we're reserving. But like I was telling you guys, I do wanna let you know a little bit about the incentives, what they offer out here, because they do have amazing deals. The first thing is that with a home like this is around $470,000, around that range, depending on the one we reserve, but they are offering up to 6% on a lot of the homes in money to go towards covering your closing costs, which helps you with your upfront, and to buy down your interest rate, because interest rates are a little high right now, at least as I'm making this video, and it helps out with that monthly payment, which is really good. Another thing, most builders, you have to add your solar on top of the price of the home. This builder already includes it in this neighborhood. They already include it in the price of the home. So there's no extra charge for the solar. You don't have to add on a lease or add on to the purchase price. It's already included, which is really cool. So aside from that, this neighborhood is a great place to have a family. I mean, you have the park that's gonna be coming soon, and then you just have a good amount of space, nearby great schools. And if you guys are looking for something like this exact floor plan, when you connect with me, let me know you're interested in the 1847 plan, and I'll know exactly what you're talking about. And then if you're just looking to get a home in general, you're like, hey, I want to talk about what I'm looking for. I want to talk about my budget, kind of what monthly payment I want to have, and I want to go out and see some homes and get into something in the next few months. Schedule a call with me. The link is down below, so that way we can talk, connect, and help you out, just like I've helped out so many other families. And if you're someone who's like, hey, I don't want to go that far yet, I just want some more information, I do have a completely free Bakersfield new construction guide, which will help you understand what it's like to get into a home, what the process is like, and just give you some more info. Feel free to download that. The link will be in one of these corners here, and then it'll also be down below. But hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Before you go, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. But really quick, I wanted to take a couple minutes to share with you what I genuinely believe is the greatest news any person could ever hear. You know, we just toured an amazing home, and honestly, there are so many amazing things in this life: a beautiful home, success, money, family, vacations, accomplishments. These things can all be incredible blessings, but if we're honest, no matter what we achieve or finally get, it never completely fills us the way that we thought it would. Maybe you felt that before. You finally get the thing you wanted, and after some time, you start chasing the next thing and the next thing. And I think deep down, every one of us knows that this life isn't all that there is, because the truth is, everything here is temporary, even down to our own lives on this earth. But the Bible tells us something powerful in John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. And what that means is this: God actually created you for eternity. He created you to know him, but there is a problem. If we're honest with ourselves, none of us are perfect. We've all made mistakes, we've lied, we've hurt people, we've carried guilt, done things that we regret, and fallen short of the life that God intended for us. The Bible calls that sin, and sin separates us from a holy and perfect God. But here's the good news, you guys. There's good news, and that's why I share it at the end of every video, that God loved you so much, he didn't just leave you separated from him. Jesus Christ came to this earth, lived the perfect life that none of us could ever live, and even though he never sinned, he willingly went to the cross and took the punishment that we deserved upon himself. In other words, the price for our sin was paid by Jesus. Forgiveness, peace, purpose, and eternal life are available not because we earned it or became good enough, but simply by putting our faith and trust in him and what Jesus did on the cross. And maybe you're watching this right now and you've been searching for peace, purpose, hope, or fulfillment in different things in this life. I just want you to know that what you're truly looking for is found in Jesus, and only in Jesus. He completely changed my life, and I truly believe he can change yours too. And if today you feel something kind of stirring in your heart, maybe after this video, take a moment and just talk to God. Be honest with him. You don't have to be having the perfect words, just be honest with him. Let him know that you need him, and place your faith and your trust in what Jesus has done for you, because every single one of us needs him, someone to cover our sin, and that is what Jesus did. And if you've been thinking about going to church or maybe getting back into community, I really encourage you to find a local church wherever you're watching from. But if you happen to be here in Bakersfield, my wife and I actually have our home church that we love and have amazing church family at here in Southwest Bakersfield. So I will actually leave a link down below in the description for you guys to come out. It's Discovery Church here on like White Lane. But if you guys see me, say hi. I'd love to meet you there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. God bless you.